In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the concept of IT modernization is often thrown around. But what does it truly mean, especially when viewed through the lens of security? Modernization isn't just about upgrading systems or adopting the latest trends. It's about creating a resilient, secure, and agile IT environment that supports modern organizations while protecting against security threats. Transforming legacy systems to align with current business needs and technological advancements is crucial. This involves updating outdated hardware and software, adopting cloud solutions, and leveraging automation. True modernization redefines IT functions to be more adaptive, scalable, and secure, shifting from a reactive to a proactive approach where security and user experience are prioritized, is essential. Legacy systems pose significant risks and challenges, being inflexible and vulnerable to cyber threats. Moving away from outdated technologies ensures long-term viability and security. Virtual desktop infrastructure, VDI, enables remote work but comes with challenges. Desktop as a service offers a cloud-based alternative, reducing the burden on IT teams. Secure Service Edge combines networking and security in a unified cloud-native service. In a modernized IT environment, user identity is central to security. Integrating multi-factor authentication and single sign-on strengthens user identity security. Secure access to systems and data is crucial as organizations modernize. The LKMethod, zero trust architecture and advanced threat detection create a multi-layered defense. Security-focused modernization ensures your organization is prepared for future challenges. Embracing solutions like desktop as a service and Secure Service Edge and prioritizing user identity builds a resilient IT environment. Here at LKMethod, modernization is not just about staying ahead of threats, it's about securing your organization's future and driving long-term success.